Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I see all over online, we have a bunch of Facebook groups, and then of course I probably belong to at least 300 or 500 Facebook groups. And we keep seeing the nylon water lines leaking. When they come into the shop, it's been a wide range of just, damn it, look at that, it's been leaking. We keep seeing wrong fittings being used, wrong compressions being used, and there's a bunch of different stuff, so I mean, whether somebody uses a hose clamp or they use I believe it's called Oetiker clamp, there's crush washers, there's compression fittings, there's a bunch of different stuff in our industry. And so, keep an eye on your water system. A trick that I like to do is if I'm not sure if a fitting is leaking, I'll take some RV toilet paper because it dissolves really quickly, and I'll wrap it around the fitting, so I'll just throw a little piece around it, not much, toss a little piece of clear Scotch tape on it, and then if it does leak, right away I know, hey, that fitting's obviously got an issue. We keep seeing also a bunch of different fittings that are cracking and failing, whether they're the white ones or the black ones. So no matter what your make or model you have, no matter what brand you have, our industry kind of relies on other companies to provide us with products. And sometimes we get, bad batches of products, or just a product that's just, we say it's a not good product that, damn it, let's not use those anymore. But so keep an eye out for those hidden water leaks. Again, if you're watching this, you've probably already seen a bunch of the nylon fittings. And when I say the nylon, I'm talking about the hose that's it's a rubber hose, it's a soft hose, and you can see nylon stitching, it's all braided around it, versus the PEX. So if you're looking at the PEX hoses, that's the red, blue, or white hard style line, and so that's just how you tell the difference. But we keep seeing it as the industry is evolving and growing, and I don't know whether it was from routing purposes or being able to bend the hoses easier or what, but we keep seeing these hoses being used, these nylon hoses, and we keep seeing where they're getting pinched or crushed or ran too tightly around something, causing them to kind of pinch off the hose and not let the water flow come through. So keep an eye out for those. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll try to help you. You can always shoot us any pictures too. So if you haven't joined any of our Facebook groups, we pretty much have a Facebook group for most major manufacturers, and at nights and weekends I usually tend to go through and try to help who I can, whether it be provide them an Amazon link to get them the part that they need so that they don't have to go in and see a dealership, or give them some kind of guidance. So anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll look forward to talking to you soon. Have a good one.